Guys, in this video I'll show you how to create your Snapchat Bitmoji using your camera. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Snapchat, click onto your profile, and as you can see I have no Bitmoji connected to this Snapchat account. So I'm going to go ahead, click onto it, scroll down, and where it says create my avatar, click on create my avatar, and then create a new Bitmoji avatar or link an existing one. I want to go ahead and create a new one, so go ahead and click on create new. Alright, it's used my camera to take a photo, and that is my avatar is ready. So now I'm going to go ahead and edit my avatar, choose my skin color, and you can play around with your hair, your eyes, and all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, once you've done that, played around all the settings inside here, it's simply of click and save, and then we'll say here ready to pick an outfit, say yes. So I'm going to pick out an outfit, I'm going to do a Christmas theme here, looks good, click on save again, wait for that to load, and now your Bitmoji will be changed to what you've just created. So that's it guys for this tutorial. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. Really appreciate it, and it helps us out a lot.